Hello, LCMS students, parents, and guardians. This is Samaya Wright from the LCMS Yearbook Club. This is a tutorial on how to get into Yearbook Snap to upload photos for the 2020-2021 yearbook. Follow along with our video to get logged into Yearbook Snap. You first have to log into your device. Then open your App Store. Use the search bar to type in Yearbook Snap like I'm doing right here. Pick this first option. The app icon will be orange with the words Yearbook Snap written on it. For Apple devices, press Get, and for Androids, press Install. Once the app has downloaded onto your device, open it up. You will then be brought to this page and press Submit Photos for your school's yearbook. It'll bring you to a page to search in the name of your school, so type in Lockington Middle School. It will then ask you for an access code. The access code is LCMS in all uppercase. You will then be brought to this homepage that says Lockington Middle School Select Photos. Press this orange button right here. It will bring you to a list of categories to choose from to upload your photos. Pick one that goes along with the photo, and then give Yearbook Snap app access to your photos. You will then use this upload button to submit a photo into the Yearbook Snap. Please be sure to submit your photos so that the yearbook team will be able to incorporate all of your photos. From the LCMS Yearbook Club, we thank you for submitting your photos. We will be sure to include them the best we can.